Hello everyone, and today we are going to compare between YouTube TV versus Hulu TV. We're going to talk about the price, number of channels, value, picture quality, user experience, and more. So by the end of this video, you're going to have a better understanding which one is best for you. So let's get started. In the quest to replace traditional cable TV, YouTube TV and Hulu TV stand out as a prominent contenders. However, with recent price adjustments, the decision between the two has become even more intricate. Both services offer a robust selection of channels, but recent channel losses may influence your choice. In this updated comparison, we will explore more about the weak points and the strength points. Now first, let's talk about the specs. When talking about the price, the starting price per month is $73 for YouTube TV with a 7-day free trial, while Hulu TV costs $77 per month with a 3-day free trial. Now when talking about the channels, YouTube TV has more than 100 channels plus YouTube originals. Hulu with live TV contain more than 85 channels including Disney Plus with ads and ESPN Plus. For DVR, both offer on-demand content. When talking about the device support, both support various devices including smart TVs, streaming devices, and mobile devices. And finally, simultaneous streams. For YouTube TV, up to 3 streams with unlimited option available in $85 per month package. Hulu TV versus YouTube TV channels. The channel arrangements of YouTube TV and Hulu TV are largely similar, and as I said, with YouTube TV you have more than 100 channels compared to Hulu's claim of over 85 top channels. However, each service has its own omissions and unique offerings. Now, there are just some small differences. Hulu TV includes history and lifetime, which is absent in YouTube TV. YouTube TV lacks A&E and the ACC ESPN Sports Network, which Hulu offers. Hulu TV is missing Univision, AMC, ION, BBC America, BBC World News, and Sundance. YouTube TV doesn't have MeTV and INSP. On the other hand, Hulu TV lacks INSP. Now let's jump into the price comparison. YouTube TV price versus Hulu TV price. Both experience price increases. YouTube TV now starts at $73 per month, while Hulu TV has risen to $77 per month. Despite the higher cost of Hulu TV offers a better value proposition due to its bundled services, including Disney Plus and ESPN Plus. YouTube TV versus Hulu TV value. Hulu TV offers more than just live TV, with access to shows and movies on Hulu, Disney Plus, and ESPN Plus as part of the Disney bundle. While YouTube TV provides an additional simultaneous stream, Hulu's bundled services make it an appealing choice for many. YouTube TV versus Hulu TV picture quality. Both Hulu TV and YouTube TV stream live TV in the 720p to 1080p range. Similar to traditional cable channels, neither service include 4K live streams in their entry-level plans, though some 4K content is available at an additional cost. And in this point particularly, YouTube TV may win so easily, because YouTube TV offers some 4K content if you join a Plus plan, which costs more money per month. Now let's compare both of them in sports. YouTube TV offers an array of sports options including NFL Sunday Ticket, NFL Network, and NBA TV, making it a compelling choice for sports enthusiasts. Hulu TV, on the other hand, only offers NFL Network. Neither service carries MLB Network, with Hulu having lost it recently. YouTube TV versus Hulu TV DVR. Both Hulu TV and YouTube TV offer unlimited cloud-based DVR storage, with recordings expiring after 9 months. In fact, this feature is one of the best options in live TV streaming services. Now let's jump into the user experience. In this point, YouTube TV will win. because YouTube TV provides a more user-friendly experience with recommendations on its home screen and seamless fast-forwarding and rewinding. In contrast, Hulu TV's user interface can sometimes be less intuitive, with occasional buffering issues and difficulties in finding live TV content. So, in the end, which one is the better? While both offer similar services, the choice may ultimately hinge on your channel preferences. Despite Hulu's price increase, it provides a better value proposition with bundled services. However, for sports enthusiasts, YouTube TV shines with its extensive sports coverage and data-driven content. In terms of user experience, YouTube TV offers a more user-friendly interface. So ultimately, the decision between both of them depends on your priorities, with YouTube TV edging out slightly in this comparison. So if you like to have a good sports experience, YouTube TV is going to be a good choice. If you want the value proposition, in this point, Hulu TV will win it. If you need something which is easy to use and user-friendly, YouTube TV will win at this point. But my advice to you is to try both of them for at least 1 month. So you can first start with trying Hulu TV for 1 month, then try YouTube TV for the next month, and see which one is better for you. So now tell me down below in the comments which one will you prefer. And thank you all for watching. I hope this video is useful to you all. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.